Managing cash flow in a SME manufacturing business often is neglected until it becomes urgency for the business owner, or they learn it the hard way by experiencing the stress associated with money matters. I'm highlighting 6 common mistakes which can land you in cash flow troubles, irrespective of the size of your business or the profitability that you enjoy. Now, mistake number 1, poor cash flow forecasting. Rather, I would say no cash flow forecasting. In absence of forecast, you end up in all the reactive actions and not proactive actions, which further results into firefighting situations. Mistake number 2, inefficient inventory management. This is a big area of concern where your cash flow can be blocked. Sometimes it also affects the profitability if you pile up non-moving inventory. Mistake number 3 is delays in project execution. If you do not have streamlined project execution and delivery system, your projects get delayed and that impacts the overall cash flows. Your payment to supplier becomes due, but your receivable from client is not due yet as you have delayed the deliveries. Now, mistake number 4 is extending credit without proper checks. Find out about the financial health, payment practices, etc. from the market before extending credit to any customer. Mistake number 5 is overlooking expenses and cost. In growing or in a boom phase, we just get happy with the sales top line. In that momentum, we tend to commit to aggressive expenditure on infrastructure or other fixed costs. Sometimes, a legacy business with high profitability starts losing margins, or even business with growing competition, but there is no conscious effort to reduce expenses and cost. Now, mistake number 6 and the last one is not having cash reserve. Take out a small but fixed percentage of every payment collected to be put in a separate profit account so that you can start building reserves. You can also invest that amount in stock market, mutual funds, or simple FDs basis your risk appetite. I will create detailed videos on some of these mistakes to elaborate further. Let me know in comments which mistake would you like me to explain. Thank you.